Oh, for now. Oh.
Next character. Here you go, Danny.
Oh, okay.
Danny's turn to the controller.
Okay. So now I'm some guy.
Why is it blinking like that? It shouldn't be doing that.
Oh. Again, I for some reason, I thought it was part of the...
Interactive drama. Okay, so I gotta...
Yeah.
Now it's like, okay, now I gotta remember what the specific controls are.
Yeah, for the button prompts, yeah, just like, use a
Good fuck.
Yes!
Yep.
Oh, thank God.
So I should mention, yeah, during that entire scene, you can fuck up everything with Sean, and you can end the night with him just yelling, I hate you, Dad! I hate you!
Oh God.
I wish I want to go back to Mom's!
Oh
like,
my
things like
God.
That.
Oh, that's...
You can fuck everything up.
Alright, so, let's see.
God, but why...
Looking for
God, why would I do that?
Yeah. Like, this is a game with consequences, I should say. Everything you do will affect something in the future.
Oh,
Yes, gotta be able
okay,
to.
alright. Well, well, thank God.
Remind me,
Hold R2 and then move.
Yeah.
that's where it's like...
Yeah, it's tank.
Yeah, that's where I'm like, yeah, remind me what that is.
Lauren Winter. Ring any bells?
Nope, can't say it does.
Origami killer.
Well, missed. Oh.
Get your ass over here. Okay, so it's
That-
like
that-
a circle around?
Yeah.
Well,
Okay.
Mr. Franklin says you know her.
3rd floor, last door on the left at the end of the corridor.
Oh, so he had to bribe the guy to find out where this other person was.
So 3rd floor.
Oh, suddenly.
Suddenly I'm on the 3rd floor.
Yep.
Okay.
Like,
So he said, like, end of the corridor. Turn around, you fat fuck! Okay.
So we're getting into this soon.
That's like,
I am a hard-working fat
trying to
fuck.
remember,
Thank you very
like,
much.
Was it this one or was it the other one?
Also, who put graffiti on the wall?
It's the right stick. Where are you going?
I'm trying to move!
I'm confused, sorry.
I know, it's like, these controls are shit!
Lauren Winter.
Sorry, I only see clients by appointment.
Oh,
Wait.
Ooh, good save.
It's $50. I don't kiss and I don't do any weird shit.
The hell you don't.
I don't like where this is going.
Put your money on the table. You've got exactly 10 minutes when the alarm rings. It's over, okay?
Okay, are we really? No. No, we're really here to question this woman, right? We're not really
Give me
gonna...
the goddamn prompt. That's like, I had the
I
fucking
wish that was in the
prompt!
fridge. No, there
There
we
we go. That's like it. Give me the fucking prompt.
Yeah, it's like I don't know. It's
I gotta pay my horse. Come on.
Oh my God.
You should take your clothes off. We ain't got all day.
Well,
Actually, I'm not a customer.
I'm gonna.
A cop. I should have known. What you want, a freebie? Is that it?
I put the money on the table.
My name is Scott Shelby. I'm a private detective. The families of the victims of the origami killer asked me to investigate the murders. I came here just to ask you some questions about Johnny.
I already told the police all I know and I have nothing to add. Leave me alone.
Let's see.
I understand, Lauren. I know what you're going through.
Oh yeah? You know what it feels like to find your own son's body on a wasteland? I'm sorry, I don't believe you have the slightest idea what I'm going through, Mr. Shelby.
Maybe try convince her.
The killer is walking around free as we speak. He'll kill again if he's not arrested.
My Johnny's dead, so what difference does it make?
how about a trick?
If we don't find the killer, there'll be other mothers who find their son's body on a deserted wasteland. But you're right. Why should you care? It's not your problem anymore, right?
That's not really a trick. That's kind of actually a good point.
Yeah, really.
It's a trick, and I didn't really mean what I said.
What do you want to know?
Well, whatever the case was, it worked.
Got her.
Okay, so let's see.
Tell me about Johnny. What kind of kid was he?
Johnny was really a good boy. Sometimes he fought with other kids who called me a, In his own way, I think he understood what was going on.
Okay. So let's see.
Tell me about Johnny's father.
Yeah, it's like, where's Dad in all this?
A loser without a job who liked to beat me after a few drinks. He left the day Johnny disappeared. I ain't seen him since. Coward. Good thing he left.
Oh yeah, that's totally not suspicious.
You want one?
Smoke.
No thanks, I quit.
That's brave.
Okay.
Probably shouldn't be smoking in the house.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see.
How did your son disappear?
He used to go play with the neighborhood kids after school. It was pouring down something awful that day. I'll never.
Yeah, lots and lots of rain.
Yeah, it rained all the time here.
Friends
Nothing
came
new.
home around. All except him.
Alright. So, how
Did
about-
you suspect anyone after he disappeared?
I meet a lot of pretty shady characters in my line of work. Sure, I thought of it at first. But it didn't seem to make any sense. I don't.
His emotions. It didn't make any
Yeah,
sense.
he's just like, it's like he's like, oh my god, this bitch is talking. It's like, dude, it's your fucking job to interrogate her.
It's like, oh my god.
Go right with the time.
Time's up, Mr. Shelby. I hope you got what you wanted. Now get out of here.
Stop. Wait, I forgot to ask you, where's Johnny's home?
Wait, can I?
Fuck.
I just give you another $50?
Okay, you have another 10 minutes. Listen. Oh god.
There we go. I was like,
What if he's with Shannon if it was like, as she's not
If you
looking,
remember
you're
anything,
just...
the smallest detail.
Just takes the money back.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
Like a string attached to it.
Wait, hold on. Was that a $100 bill he put down?
No, it was 50.
No, wait, I could have sworn that I saw Benjamin Franklin's face on that bill.
Was it Ben? I don't know.
I swear to God, it was Benjamin Franklin's face.
well, I think she said it was $50, I think.
Yeah, she said it was $50.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh well.
Either I'm just seeing things or they can
Asthma attack.
delete!
It was the smoke, wasn't it?
Oh. Okay.
I was like, what's...
Alright, okay, Oh, inhaler.
asthma.
Shit. Whew. Oh.
Fucking cigarettes.
Lauren, open up, baby. It's me.
God, the horrors of secondhand smoke.
But I really wanted to see ya.
I don't like where this is going.
Wait. Oh, for God's sake.
Hello?
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Hello?
Hey, come on.
What do you want, asshole?
Lauren, is everything all right?
She's just swell. Now beat it, loser.
You're a loser.
Okay, alright, break the door down.
Fuck you.
Yeah.
You again? If you're looking for trouble, you found it.
Uh-oh, something tells me there's gonna be some quick time events. Oh, there we go.
Woo.
Oh no!
Oh shit. Whoa.
Whoa!
Nice dodge.
Oh, there we go. Oh! My head! My bald head!
my precious bar. Ow. My precious barley career.
So here's how I make my livings.
I got glass stuck in my skull! Do I take this out or not? I am
It's
a
like,
cop!
I know, it's like,
Ooh,
dude,
oh,
I-
kidney shot!
I know, it's like,
Oh,
Fuck!
ow. My kidney.
Oh shit.
Nice catch. You fuck your table.
Oh no!
uh-oh, he's got
my
a shank.
God. Whoa. Alright, Press that square button.
Right in the eye. Come on, right in the eye.
Oh shit! No! Oh shit! Oh fuck!
Ah, I didn't go as planned.
Oh
The headlock.
shit!
The headlock.
Oh no! Oh.
The
Your
mannequin.
mannequin hand
mannequin
means
hand.
nothing to me. Oh!
Nice.
There you go.
Oh!
And it's like, dude, you are a cop.
See you again, asshole.
I was like, don't you have a gun?
Well, he's not a cop. He's a private investigator.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Right?
I guess. Who
Is
is
that Batman?
Our next client thinks he's
Wait.
Hold on.
He was getting violent, and I told him I didn't want to see him anymore.
On the shelf.
No.
Like
Okay.
right there.
Yeah. Just okay. Camera. Just.
That's fucking Batman.
I think it is Batman. I think you're
Why do you
right.
have a naked figure of Batman? All right, whatever. I thought you said no weird shit.
Oh my god.
Okay, I guess.
Look. I'm just a huge Batman fan. All right.
I guess I gotta pin this shit up now.
Oh man, I'm
That's where I
feeling
was
all
like, I had
that.
an asthma attack. I just got my beaten
okay.
up.
Well, I was quick.
Here you go.
Oh, it's my turn?
Yep. Now it's Russell's turn.
Okay,
Alright.
remind me how the quick time events work again. Am I moving the controller or am I moving the
It just depends on what it says. Well, it depends on what it says.
I mean, with the arrow? Am I moving the controller or am I moving...
If it's an arrow, you use the right. You use the right stick.
Okay.
Yeah. In the direction that the arrow is showing on the prompt.
Okay.
Trophy earned, white knight.
Yeah, private eye and a white knight.
Probably should be moving your windshield wipers a little faster, there, buddy.
It's like. Oh,
Oh, are we doing the drug addict?
I gotta get all hopped up on my stuff, man. Oh, there we go.
Fucking umbrella.
That seems to be the common trend in this town. You could hardly see anybody with umbrellas.
There's a whole L to the.
Yeah.
Oh, never mind. Okay. There are some people with common sense in this town.
Zone is sectioned off, sir.
Yep, see, there we go. There are some people with umbrellas.
FBI?
You got a badge or something?
Jade.
Yeah. Yeah, of course.
Yeah, I got my dual disc right here.
Game on.
Check.
Time to get your game on.
The cop-
Time to spin some
And the
rhymes.
cop just punches him. I hated you, X.
5 Ds, bitches.
Earlier.
And the cop next to him just punches him. Oh, gee, motherfucker.
Like some random passerby. Season 0!
The Forbidden Season.
Wait, turn around. Turn around. Okay. I'm going to assume I'm going left.
Okay.
Turn around.
I know, it's like these controls are
They're
whack.
they're jank as fuck. They're
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like, luckily, you're never doing anything important. You're just walking.
God, should I go out that way or should I go there? No, wait.
Okay,
Maybe I should go
maybe-
out that. No.
Maybe I'm not supposed to go left?
No, you are. It's just the controls being dumb.
No, it made it seem like I was stuck.
Hello,
Like, I couldn't-
is there anybody in the ambulance?
Okay, we got it. Alright. Alright, I found an easier way to control this.
So here's Jaden's big thing. He has some grade A
I'm
technology.
recording Agent 47023, Nom and Jade.
Okay, that's like, yeah, where the fuck is that? It's like, do we even have that technology?
840.
I don't know, but you're gonna see it get what it's blinking as fuck. That shouldn't be happening. That's gonna
Oh,
that's going to grate on my eyes. That must be a text glitch.
Did I just miss something? Because I saw R1 and I missed it.
Oh my god.
Yeah, press R1. Ooh.
Whoa, shit.
Oh.
And suddenly Blue's clues. Where's the next clue, Blue?
Let's write it down in our handy dandy. Oh, wait. That was a bottle. Let's write this down in our handy dandy notebook.
Unrelated to the investigation.
Alright.
Just a random bank manager hanging out in this wasteland.
So what's this do?
Take off.
Oh, oops.
You kind of need those on.
Yeah, sorry. We need to do that.
My eyes are feeling a little bit dry. So.
Oh, I should. Could have been
There we go. That's fine.
Why is the text glitching out like that? It shouldn't be doing that.
It's like, God damn it! I need to change out the bulbs
I'm
on this
looking for Lieutenant
text.
Carter Blake.
I don't know.
Sir?
It's like, oh, I don't know. I'm just
Oh.
been assigned to hold his flashlight.
He didn't say anything. He just, just nudged towards him.
Hey, you know anything about the murder?
No, whatever.